Gasoline station, nag-react. Heto ang mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari na nakuna ng video. Part 6. Don't forget to subscribe.
Let's do this. Naks, laman, puto lang tulay. Look at that. Hala. OMG. What's going on here? Naks, ang kutsiyo. Natabunan. Naku men. Boys will always be boys. Naks na. Binutasan. Ang lakas makatrip nun. And here's the other one. Okay. Oh, look at that. No, it's going to... Oh my god. What's going on? Paano ba yan ginawa? Naku, walang ka strength. And naku men, walang kapit kaya
bayağı bir yıkılmış.
sumayo. Oh, wow. OMG. Sobrang sayang, napakaganda ba naman nito, sinira lang. No. Shit. Hey. Sobrang sayang. And there we go. Ayan. Ooh! Pumutok, man. Wow. And I know what happened next. Let's see this. Grabe. And I know there will something happen there. Oh, this is going to break. Oh my goodness. It's going to scatter. Hey, shit. Oh. And ayan, nagbabari na. Oh, that's perfect. And what's that? Ano? My God, sundong dami. Nako, isang pagkakamali lang wasak na to. Oh, man left. Oh! No, man. Shit, look at that. Scattering. And what is this? No, it's going to burn. No, man. It's so cool, but oh, this looks so scary. Eh, buti na lang hindi pumutok yun, no? Oh, what's going on here? Oh, they're going backward. Oh, man. What's wrong with this? Eee! Scaring him. Oh, my goodness. Oh! It's burning. Oh, my goodness. On fire. What's happening here? Look at that. Oh, I can't believe this. Oh my goodness, this is so danger. Oh my goodness, it's scattering. Hey! Naku, men, natumba. Kaya pala nag-aapoy. Naku, tumakbo lang yung kotse, men. Look at that. Oh, wala. Naku. Ooh, they're running along. And there we go. What's going on here? It's a boat. Oh, I know there was something. Oh! Iniwan. What's the heck? It's another one. Oh, it's flying. Look at that. And there we go. Hey! Shit. Oh, yan. They're cutting trees.
Yeah.
Oh! Uminto siya, man. And what's happening? Oh, wala. Gago. Wala. Bakit? What's going on? Naks. Oh. Bakit hindi niya minamaneho? Gagi. Ano? It's really scary. Hey. Oh. That's, oh my god, it's really terrible. And there we go. What are they doing? Ayan. Oh. Oh my goodness, it's really hurt. And what is this? Yay! Grabe. The glass brick. Oh, hey, hey, hey. And there we go. Oh my goodness. Look at the luxury car.
With the, yeah,
It's broken.
he with the light. And he was speeding with a Porsche.
Yeah.
And the lady with the SUV just got his way.
OMG.
It was the lady's fault. But it still is.
It has a big damage. Wow, it's a pretty cool, right? Wow. Dumaan sa gitna para makaiwas sa sakyan. It's really cool. And what is this? And oh, hey, oh, all are falling. OMG. There we go. What's going on here? Oh! Oh my goodness! Did you see that? Oh! And it's another one. Nako, pumutok yung ano, yung gulong. Ah, kaya pala kasi, oh. What's going on? Hey! Oh! Nalaglag ang yellow, man. Oh my goodness. Hey. Shit.
Diyan nagtapos ang ating video mga lods. Just comment below for free shoutout in our next video. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next video compilations.